On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to make some refreshing pineapple drink. Yeah? No, you're going to make pineapple drink already, but you have never seen this version of my pineapple drink before. But let us just kick off the video a little and pause here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, in the description of this and all my other videos, there will be the link. Post notification shout outs today goes to Sheppy Bradshaw, Sylvita James, Angel Big Rose, and Jojo. Ladies, manners and respect. And if you're wondering how so many, yes, sometimes we can have multiple post notifications shout out. They all came in on the same time, 24 seconds in on the video. Thanks once more, manners and respect. Let's get on to this little pineapple drink video. Now, this is a pineapple here, not the cutest, but it is a sugar loaf. Yeah, so the very first thing I'm gonna be doing is removing this part of the pineapple. And be careful when you're removing it because it has prickles. And this is what you would plant back to get another pineapple like this. Let us put it right here. I'm going to be washing my pineapple. Back in the days when we were in the country growing up as a little girl, we had lots and lots of pine. And my mother, when we were doing pine drink, and people that are my age can comment, we would grate the pine. They would cut it down, straight pieces. Maybe this would cut in 6 and you would have to grate it with the ginger. And we would never remove the skins. We would wash it properly and it would be grated and juiced with the skins. If you know anything about that, please comment. So I'm going to be doing it today, but I'm going to be putting a really little ingredient to it that is going to blow your pine drink away. Let's get this washed. What I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to wet it right there. And I'm going to be using just a little dish soap, squeeze it from a little vegetable brush. Yeah. And I'm going to be washing this pineapple. You see me? So I'm not going to stay the whole time I'm showing you, showing you what I do because I wash it because I'm not going to be throwing away the skin. Next plate. Also, my pineapple has been drained somewhat. And I'm going to be cutting it down. I hope it's good on the inside. Feel a little bit soft. Yeah, nothing to worry about. So, this is how we would cut it. And like this, we would have it down in about, yeah. And we would hold it like this. And we would put the back of it onto our grater. Anybody know that time we would have to grate this inner this part and everything. We would get everything. Our pine drink would taste different, so we want to take off this down here, these little parts. You want to have your pineapple. Don't worry about this, it's just extra sweet right there. So let me just go get all of these in and return. Okay, now, so for pine definite straight juice, you would use this in your food processor, your juice extractor. You put it down in that big mouth part there and you will do it. But I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm just going to be using my blender. So I'm going to be cutting it to fit my blender. I'm going to be using this old pine. So may I make sure I cut it up fine, you know? Yeah, skins and all. So I'm going to finish cutting this pineapple. Yeah, sometimes you're going to hear a lot of those things, family, I did tell you. Because I am near the road. Right, so I'm going to be doing this, cut it as fine as I can. If you just move through the blender quickly, and I'll return when that is through. So my ginger is in, so you see I have about 3 ounces of ginger right here. 2 different types, but the best one is the yellow ginger. Yeah, ripe and strong. Now I'm going to put me in some pine, but you know you want to taste your pine. Nice sweet. It's not the sweet that as you put it in your mouth, it scratch you. It's a mild sweet. Mild. So you want to put You want to put on your gloves, you know, say you have to do that. Just do what suit you right now, because at the end of it, you're making your pine juice. So you're going to need your pine. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. My blender is not big enough to hold all. So you're going to need your pine, your ginger, and of course you're going to need some lime or lemon juice. So I'm going to go now. Telling you something not a lot. This is about 4 to 4.5 pounds of pineapple. I'm telling you, say, I'm not going to use a lot of water. I don't like my drink all, you know, just like water out. So I'm going to go blend and return. So this here as a juice option. So when you press juice and start it, it goes for 1 minute. So that's what I did. You know, so use your blender of choice or use your juice extractor. You know, as always, you know, yeah. The ginger is kicking. Kicking. I put the ginger in the first one there so that it will go just right out. So we want to just, you know, pineapple has a lot of fiber. You know that, right? It has a whole lot of fiber. I don't know if you all know the amount of fiber that pineapple has. There's a whole lot of fiber. So you don't want to be pushing it out now. You just want to do this. Look at that. Because if you don't want the fiber, you just do it like this. The moment you start doing like this, the fiber is going to come through some of it. So I'm going to put this through it. Leave it there to continue draining out as we go. Or dripping out, let's say that. As we go now. In the next clip, I'll show you what I'll be putting. There's a secret little thing that I'm going to be putting in there to just let you never stop drinking this pineapple drink. Second blending, or second batch. And this is the secret ingredient. For this amount, you will need about this. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You want to put it right there. You want to get it blended out because it's hard to dissolve when you have blended it out already. Or if you want to go, you can spend some extra time and you can make your cinnamon stick. You can use your cinnamon stick to make your cinnamon, boil it and let the water cool down and blend it. You want some cinnamon flavor in your pineapple drink. Catch you when this is finished blending. Look at our pineapple drink. You see how rich this is? This you see look at this. You see this? You see how strong that is? Lots and lots of fiber. People may want to probably puree this out and maybe you could make a pineapple pudding. I'm not sure. Comment and tell me. People are asking maybe what you do with this, but I rock my brain. But more than likely I put it back for compost. But I wrap my brain around this one. You may never know. Okay? I wrap my brain around that one. Look at this pineapple. Look how rich. It's not no little see-through, no little play. This is richness. Now you know that you got to get your limes in. These are already washed, coming from a refrigerator. I'm going to wash them. So we have put about. We don't need, for me, I wouldn't use any sweetener. But if you want your sweetener, use your sweetener of choice. Lime juice. Lots of lime juice to bring that ginger, that pineapple, and that cinnamon flavor together. Lots and lots of this. You go put in all of them lime here and come back. This is optional. Very, very optional because some people don't want it. But for me, I'm just using it. I'm just going to put like a small cap full. This is a small cap of gold rum. And let's remember, I hope you heard me, it's optional. If you want to sweeten and enjoy. I will not be using any sugar in this. I want the natural sweetness of the pineapple. I'm just going to taste a bit in case I want more lime. And that nice little alcohol taste, smell is coming out of it. Let me dissolve properly. And I want to taste with my plastic cup. Wow. That little kick of cinnamon, that ginger, the strength of the pineapple, And I don't taste the rum because I put a small amount. Wow. Mm. Let's get it in here. Scoop it in. And it's good. You're not tasting a lot of fiber. Look at the color in there. Look at the color. I'm not gonna stay here all day and ladle this out and bore you. I'll catch you in the next clip. Leave this in your refrigerator to chill properly. If you add sweetener, don't add sweetener and put a lot of ice in this family. Just leave this to chill and let it start forming like little ice particles. Oh my God. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it is pineapple drink with the skins and all. Gig it up with a little cinnamon powder. Don't go too much with the cinnamon. You know how overpowering cinnamon is. Okay? I did a video for Patreon probably about 2 weeks ago where I used the skins on there for pineapple. And I made pineapple skin drink. It was the most beautiful. I had it cinnamon, but in a different form. All my patrons have enjoyed that content. If you'd like to see what I do, it was really good. Camera girl said, Mom, oh, this is so good. I had several glasses of it. Yes, it was good. Not the old way, not the same old way where you boil it and then you just strain it off and make like a little pineapple tea or like a pineapple skin tea. No, we went overboard with that pineapple skins. Okay? And then we did add that cinnamon. Oh, that cinnamon is so beautiful. Leave it to chill if you so desire and enjoy. It is so hot. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. That's just what you need. Look at me. I am so hot. It is running so hot in Jamaica today. I'll catch you again with another video. Remember, pineapple drink with the skins and all. Gig it up with a little cinnamon.